So this is going to be a video on how to install any of your instrument plugins or effect plugins into your channel rack list, which you can find here, or into, well, as well as your effects plugins into your mixer options here. So this is just how to save it so it can be available to you instead of you having to search for it inside your browser. So here you'll just load your instrument plugin, then you will go to plugin database. So it'll be the VST, which was this one, and you would go to generators, and here you have basically all the folders which all your instruments would be in. So for example, in your channel rack, when you go here, it's all these names, so controller, drum, MIDI, as you can see, etc. So you would basically make a new folder by going on generators, right clicking, going to open and create a new folder. Well, I don't need to do that because I already have a folder available that I'm going to save my instrument in. So I'm going to click on the folder that I want to save it in. So select it, open back up my instrument, go to this drop down button here, go to add to plugin database, and it tells you that it saved it inside the folder I selected, which is other. Press OK. So now when I go here in the other, which carries on to up here, it's here saved, which it wasn't before. And that's how you would do it for any instrument. Likewise for effects. I'm just going to pick a random effect. Let's just go to dynamics, drag it into my mixer. It's one of my mixer slots. So here it would open up, and then I would go back over here, and this time I will go to effects and not generators. Before, for my instruments, I went to generators. This time I'll go to effects, and then here I have all my folders. So like with generators, I could either right click, open, make a new folder, or I can just save it within a folder. So it's dynamic, so let's just click on dynamics, and then I will go to this drop down menu, and then I would add it to my plugin database. So yeah, that's how you would add instruments or effect plugins to the FL Studio DAW database, and this should be easier for you to access and create any music or whatever you want to do easier. Like and subscribe for more. It's easy. Just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages. All links are in the description below.
Tidy engineer.